Dahil dito iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa. At sila ay magiging isa. Kaya't hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghihiwalayin ng tao.
Si Jean, nagkakilala kami sa office and then we decided to go out kasama ang friends. Apparently, yung friends namin ay hindi makakapunta. So, pinilit pa rin namin ituloy yung lakad kahit kaming dalawa lang. And then eventually, yung mga labas namin naging frequent. And then that's when we decided na maging exclusive kami.
Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's only getting better. And I don't know how you do it, there ain't nowhere to run. I'm tangled up inside your love. Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's only getting better. And I don't know how you do it, there ain't nowhere to run. I'm tangled up inside your love. Hello, what a wonderful night.
I think we're like a puzzle piece na whatever I can't do, he can do. Whatever he can't do, I can do. So we really complement each other most of the time. Basta parang hindi kami madalas magbangga kasi usually one of us would compromise willingly and without conditions, and that parang it fits well.
Happiest moment ko sa kanya, parang everyday naman. Masaya. Every morning, I usually give her coffee. Tapos, every morning din, medyo malambing. So, yun, happiest moment is every day.
Without you, don't you dare leave, 'cause it's slowly getting better. And I don't know how to do it, there ain't nowhere to run. I'm tangled up inside your love. Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's slowly getting better. And I don't know how you do it, there ain't nowhere to run. I'm tangled up inside your love.
Wow. Gersol, baka naman. Please accept this token of love and gratitude for all the shared times and moments, your patience and understanding. Wishing us happy marriage and a sunny day. Very truly yours, Jean Regulan. Cheers! Ginebra, baka naman. Cheers!
I've been singing in the shower, picking up flowers on my way home from work. There's something coming over me and I think
Para sa aking pinakamamahal na asawa, tanggapin mo itong munting handog bilang simbolo ng aking walang hanggang pag-ibig at pangako ng isang buhay na puno ng pagmamahal at kaligayahan. Kahit gaano ka ba kasungit at mainitin ang ulo, hindi ako magsasawang intindihin ka. Pagmamahal, Philip. Philip, after 7 years of pagtitiis and your constant understanding, this is finally what you're waiting for. Or what we're waiting for, actually.
Now my heart is skipping beats and my knees are feeling weak. Every time you look at me, I go crazy.
Jean, lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita, alagaan kita hanggang sa pagtanda.